Hello, this is Guy Clapperton, Media Mentor, with another video tip. But before we get to that, I have a little bit of news to share with you. If you go to clappertonmediaassociates.com, you can see details of the new media training team that I've assembled. We can help with presentations, we can help with interviews. I have people who presented daytime TV, I have actors, I have all sorts of people on there, well, about 8 people to be precise, 9 including me. If you'd like to have a look at the sort of thing we can offer you to help, then by all means do have a look. clappertonmediaassociates.com will tell you all about it. Now, meantime, I'd like to get to today's video tip. Today, I'd like to talk about telling people too much. I was doing a media training session this morning. It went very nicely. There were nice people. They were in a fairly technical area. I'm not going to go into details because that will be confidential, but they were in a fairly technical area. And what they did was they started going into lots and lots of detail. Now, I don't specialize in their area. I'm not an expert, so an awful lot of it went zoom, 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 straight over my head. They would have been better off, and I told them so, offering me 1 or 2 salient facts that I could take away and write about, and that would then be comprehensible to my readers who are also not specialists. So if you're in a technically deep area, if you're in an area that requires specialist knowledge and you're going to do an interview, try to remember, give them 1 or 2 facts that they're going to remember rather than 150, which may be really, really interesting and salient to you, but which they will never assimilate because they haven't got your 20, 30 years experience. And if you'd like any more help with media training, if you'd like any practice interviewing or to draw on the expertise of any of the team I've assembled, go to clappertonmediaassociates.com, or better still, just email my assistant, Nikki, Nikki, at clapperton.co.uk, and she'll set us up a time for an initial chat. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye.